what is going to continue happening to the price of turbo, and are we going to see some more downturn? Of course, in the past few months we have obviously had tremendous price appreciation, so obviously having a little bit of a retracement is something that you guys should even be killing yourselves about, because the markets need to breathe. So if you take a look at the statistics, right, so we are now at 690 million US dollars as the market cap, and the fully diluted market cap valuation as well, which is very healthy. So when it comes to the turbo price analysis at this particular moment, right, it is very crucial for us to get to understand that we are having a little bit of a downturn due to the fact that the 3-day time frame is beginning to show a little bit of signs of bearishness. However, if you zoom out, right, and you just take a look at what was happening, you obviously notice that we've had an amazing run. We've had like 1 month of pure pumps. So this is one of the reasons why, if let's say for example we have a week of 7 days of bearishness, that's absolutely nothing, because other buyers need to get in order for the price to be sustained. And this is one of the reasons why expecting a little bit of a retracement into these green lines, or rather these green boxes, is going to be pretty healthy. So I'm not really expecting us to drop as low as this particular level, because the bull market is about to start and we are approaching the start of the beginning of a bull market, a solid bull market. So I wouldn't be expecting extreme price drops, but I do understand that there's a probability for the price of turbo to sort of go below 9/10 of a cent. So this is one of the reasons why it is highly likely that we're going to see the price come back down to about 0.0087 or so. So this rectangle area of support is definitely going to be very crucial. However, before that happens, oh, and by the way, in case you guys watched yesterday's episode, we totally nailed this trade, and I told you for a fact that there's going to be a lot of resistance here, and this is one of the reasons why we have that strong rectangle box of resistance right over there. So everything played out as it should. So in case you didn't watch yesterday's episode, you could have saved a ton of money. You could have saved about let me see, you could have saved about 15%. At least you could have saved 10% of your portfolio. And in order for you to grow your bag, you need to play these fluctuations, and this is one of the reasons why I'm a very strong advocate of getting in and out, because that's going to help you increase your bag. So anyhow, right now we are seeing some signs of a little bit of a retracement, because obviously we had this amazing push towards the downside. So having a little bit of a push towards 1 cent, so anything which is going to be above 1 cent is going to be a very good area of resistance at this particular moment. So from here, I'm expecting the price to go up a little bit. If we're very bullish, we might end up coming to this area. Okay, so let me go to the smaller time frames. Let me go to the 24-minute time frame. As you can see right now, the VWAP is obviously showing us a negative response right over there. Our VWAP has gone down, so we might potentially come back to this level. This is one of the reasons why I am really believing that this level is going to be a little bit of a challenge, at least in the next 24 to about 72 hours. Of course, in the next 6 months, Turbo Coin is going to do absolutely amazing stuff. We might go to 20 cents. We might even go to about 50 cents, but at this particular moment, for the next foreseeable 72 hours, this is how I'm expecting the prices to play out. So we have a push towards this level. We get rejected. We come back down. If we are extremely bullish, there's also another level of resistance right over here, slightly above 1 cent. That's about 0.011 dollars. Okay, so take a look at this. So these are the two scenarios, because I usually love giving people scenarios, because trading is a very it's all about probabilities, and it's all about different outcomes playing out, and there's a lot of things that can happen when it comes to sort of trading cryptocurrencies, and this is one of the reasons why this particular area definitely could be an area of interest as far as you are concerned. So I'm looking for the brush tool, and I don't know where it has disappeared to. So hold on. No, it's not there. Damn. Where is it? Oh, it should be. Sorry, yeah, it should be here. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, so we're going to push up, come back to this level. Depends on what the price is going to do there. So at this particular moment, right, I can't really tell you exactly for a fact what's going to happen, whether we're going to get rejected and immediately drop. I cannot tell you that information, so I need more data to analyze. The other option is for us to sort of push up and come to this level and get rejected. But what I know for a fact is these two levels, this level and that level, are going to give us significant resistances. So this is one of the reasons why right now I'm back in a trade and I'm longing. So I shorted this level. We came back to this level right over here, and I'm seeing a little bit of support right over here. The reason why I'm getting back into this is because the price of Bitcoin has reached my level of support at 67,000. Of course, ultimately, the price of Bitcoin in the next foreseeable 72 hours is going to drop to 65,000 US dollars. This is one of the reasons why this particular bounce that we're having is going to be short-lived. So this is one of the reasons why at this particular level, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to exit and start looking for signs of shorting the market. If it gives me overwhelming signs of shorting the market, I might get back in and short the market in anticipation of this particular downtrend as far as turbo is concerned. However, if I do not see any extreme signs of weakness here, right, then I'm just going to sort of get back in anticipation for this move upwards. In 2017, I warned you. I told you that the price of BNB was going to do more than 100x. Price of BNB was only $2.66. Personally, I invested in Binance when it was around 30 cents to about 60 cents. Now take a look at the current price of BNB as it stands 7 years later. The current price is $598, almost $600. So I told you back in the day that this one was a winner. Take a look at the market cap of BNB back in the day. It was around 266 million US dollars. If you do not believe me, go to my YouTube channel, find this video and watch and listen to the conviction that I had, because I knew exactly what I was talking about. This comment is obviously 7 years ago, and this one was saying in 3 weeks from now you will be laughing at this price. Thank you. Pretty foreshadowing. All right. Now, this is a very interesting comment. If you do not buy now, you will lose out. I bought when it was 28 cents and it was never dipping that much. So take a look at this. Megascan did follow my advice. He bought at around 28 cents and his life was obviously amazing. It has been amazing, and obviously his life was changed due to the fact that I recommended. What the hell was I doing in 2017? How come I didn't buy 50,000 BNB? We have another example of somebody who didn't take my advice, right? So he was saying stop hyping things too much and then saying we should not take this as investment advice. Two faces. Well, I guess he didn't get to invest in it. And yeah, take a look at this. 2 years ago, somebody said, how sad now, ha 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 ha. So everybody was pretty much laughing at him. So ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, right, I know how to pick some very good projects, and I know what I'm talking about because I've been trading for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why I want you to join my cryptocurrency trading group right now. You know, you need to be part of my trading group because we are definitely going to be finding and trading the best cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be making around 200% per month. Why do I say 200%? Because we have the capability of making about 10% per day. 10% per day in 31 days is definitely over 200% per month, conservatively guaranteed. The other important thing about our trading group is We understand the meme culture. We understand how to deploy projects on pump.fun. A lot of you guys have been hearing about how people are making millions investing in cryptocurrency meme coins. Do you know that it's not really by chance that those guys are making millions? They have a system. They get in projects early, before these projects are even more than 5,000 US dollars as the market cap. By the time you guys are getting to invest in a lot of meme coins when they're about 70 million US dollars, guaranteed, a lot of people have already made millions of dollars. So this is one of the reasons why we invest in cryptocurrency meme projects under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap. This is one of the reasons why you definitely need to be part of a community that has got people who've got buying power, who've got the technical know-how, and who understand these things. Lastly, we also have trading consultations and tutorials. So let's say, for example, you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading. We do have those one-to-one video consultations, tutorials, etc. So the most interesting part about all this is it's only 500 US dollars, and you only pay this one time. It's a lifetime fee as long as I'm alive, right? This is the only money that you're going to be paying. Let's say, for example, you have a $1,000 account, right? And you pay the 500 US dollars. Did you know that if you are even remaining with $500, by the end of the month, you're going to end up making 2,500, which is absolutely worth it. This is a very fair price, and due to our expertise, our team, and our dedication, 500 US dollars is absolutely nothing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action right now. Do not be like these guys who sort of didn't really get to believe in me when I was talking about buying Binance coin in 2017, 7 years ago. A lot of these people missed grand opportunities. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of an amazing trading group, amazing people, and just basically bump your portfolio to new heights. So in case you want to be part of this amazing group of ours, all you got to do is email me. This is the email 2019nextapp@gmail.com. Remember, the fee is only 500 US dollars. It's a one-time lifetime fee. Let's make this money.